Good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the Nifty technical view. Nifty has been consolidating in a range since the beginning of the month, the range being 18,450. We can call it as a consolidation, sideways and or range bound activity, awaiting for a clear direction. The trend remains as of now the range bound until we see a clear price action visible. Nifty if decisively breaks below 18,050, we might head towards 17,800, 17,600. On the other hand, if Nifty trades above 18,440, we will head towards 18,600, 18,800 in the coming days. Want to participate in India's growth story? Interested to open a demat trading account? Do connect with us. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification.